At Universal Trailer, we take pride in offering top-of-the-line pressure washer trailers that revolutionize the way you approach cleaning projects. Our robust and versatile trailers are designed to meet the demands of professionals and enthusiasts alike, providing unparalleled mobility and efficiency for all your high-pressure cleaning needs. Our trailers come equipped with powerful pressure washing systems, ample water storage, and durable construction to withstand the rigors of daily use. We've thoughtfully designed our units to be user-friendly with intuitive controls and easy access to all components for seamless operation and maintenance. At Universal Trailer, we're committed to providing solutions that enhance your business and streamline your workflow. Our pressure washer trailers are not just tools, they're investments in your success. Contact us today at 888-252-8433 or visit our website, www.pressurewashertrailers.com, to get a free quote.